A new car is perfect, but if you happen to be in a collision, the way you repair your car can make all the difference. Your car is only as reliable as its weakest part. Don't be fooled into thinking that parts are just parts. Some insurance companies and body shops may use aftermarket, recycled, and even salvaged parts, and include different and inadequate materials. Only MOPAR original equipment parts are carefully designed and built to provide optimum fit, function, safety, and structural integrity. MOPAR parts are also rigorously tested to ensure optimal performance. Remember, you have the right to request superior original equipment parts during a repair. More and more, our parts include unique branding elements, identifying them as original MOPAR replacement parts. Get the quality, care, and service only MOPAR can provide. Visit mopar.com/collision to learn more and to find a certified repair facility near you. MOPAR, at your service.